here at this wonderful school that has almost 400 students, 398 I'm told, from memory, students here in years 10, 11 and 12, undertaking the full range of education. And one of the things that one of the teachers said to me outside, I said, it must be rewarding but tough job. And they said, it is a tough job, but it's got less tough, thanks to the funding. We have put significant resources into this community. $250 million as part of our Central Australia package, but as part of the $320 million in additional funding that we've committed. When I was in Katherine and Darwin for the entire cabinet that went to Darwin earlier this year, just in March, we announced, together with the Territory Government, $1 billion of additional funding for education to bring up all schools up to the national standard to give every child the opportunity in life that they deserve. At the same time as we committed $4 billion into remote housing as well. This school is just one of 46 schools across Central Australia that has benefited from the package that we've put forward. And we've seen that and heard firsthand the benefit that that's produced. Just to give one example, the Flexi Engage program that provides for that opportunity for people who could very easily drift out of the system. Attendances up 37%, a remarkable figure in a short period of time. This is similar to the impacts that are happening across the region. Initiatives that have been underway since the beginning of the year, but just 2 weeks into term 2, here's some of the figures that show. At Breitling Primary School down the road, 40 kids achieved 100% attendance in term 1. One class had 96% attendance for 6 weeks straight. That makes an enormous difference. Enrolments in remote government schools are increasing. The number of children who haven't attended school for more than 20 consecutive days has gone down, and there's also very early signs that attendance is up right across Central Australia. Now, today we've announced an additional $8 million in public school infrastructure upgrades in the Northern Territory. Each school benefiting from funding of at least $250,000 to build new infrastructure in schools that can really improve the learning environment which is there. It's just part of my government's commitment to making a difference here. We want every child, no matter where they live in Australia, to have the opportunity of a good education. And today, with some of the students that we've met, whether they be students engaged in the Flexi Engage program, whether it be those learning how to fix a car outside there, making an enormous difference. A couple of those young people who are here with us now have got jobs already, part-time with Repco, so they're earning an income on their way to good, secure employment as mechanics. That is a fantastic thing. So we know that it has been a difficult time in Central Australia. But what my government is determined to do is to make sure that we invest, to make sure that we give this region, this fantastic region of Australia, right at its heart, the opportunity to thrive in the future. And that's something that's been very common in the feedback that I've had from the meetings over the last couple of days, is people want this community to thrive. They're optimistic that it can be done. They know there are challenges there, but we need to look forward and to make sure we get the right investment in the right place. And investment at the end of the day is about people. And here we see our youngest people being given that opportunity. So thank you so much for the very warm welcome that I've received here. It's been a real privilege and an honour to walk around this terrific school and to see the progress that is being made. I'd now ask Linda Burney to make some comments, who has done such a remarkable job, I think, on her ninth visit.
That's where we leave Anthony Albanese for now.